So I'm gonna be posting as much content as I can. I seen this even star pattern, like I said. You seen this even star pattern, green candle plus doji, red candle, boom, downtrend, right? Green candle plus red candle, uh, plus doji, my bad, doji. You can see wicked up here, wick back down here, like doji, red candlestick, boom, downtrend, right? Um, so buyers try to push price up, boom, it couldn't break past this level. You can see in the past it didn't break past this level, and eventually it started wicking back down. Once I seen price was wicking back down, that lets me know that sellers are pushing price back down, right? So it created this even star pattern, green doji, red candlestick downtrend, right? Um, so once price showed me this doji, what does that mean? It means indecision between buyers and sellers. Once you've seen this doji, like you want to really pay attention to candlesticks and really understand candlestick formations and understand patterns like even star. You'll see at the top of an uptrend, uh, head and shoulders. Like you want to pay attention to like the candlesticks and what they're showing you. Like it made this doji. Once I seen this doji right here, um, on a 4 hour, we can even scroll down to the 2 hour and see it. Seeing this doji right here, it means indecision. Still see this even star pattern. It means indecision, right? It means indecision. Price doesn't know if it wants to go up or it wants to go back down, right? That's what doji means. It means indecision in the market. After like a major move to the uptrend, price will consolidate. It went from 1800 all the way to 1830. So it'll consolidate. It'll make dojis and stuff, letting you know that price is indecisive right now. Doesn't know if it wants to go up or back down, right? So, like I said, you need three confluences, right? Doji could be one confluences. It started wicking back down. Could be another confluence, and it broke this trend line. Like boom, another confluence. So, um, you want to look for candlestick formations. You want to draw your trend line. You want to look for like head and shoulder patterns. You want to see what candle formations price will make. All right, and you want to analyze the market off of that. And make the best decision. Get in aggressively too. Like once you feel like okay, I have enough confluences or enough signals to like price is going to head in my direction, and you're confident about that, get in. Because most likely you're right. If you're wrong, it's cool. Because at least you can look and say like, okay, at least I stuck to my trading strategy. I stuck to my trading plan. Um, and you can adjust. Like you have to adjust to this market, especially when you're trading gold. Because gold likes to move very, very fast. So you have to be someone that has a good eye and that can adjust to see what price likes to do. Like, okay, boom, I seen price didn't want to break this. I knew price wasn't going to break above this level. I would have had to, I would have to need to see a clear, strong like candlestick like this break above, and then retest and then break a back above the 1850. But it didn't do that. So um you want to have an eye for what price wants to do, because especially with gold, like gold likes to move very fast. So started wicking back down, created this doji, letting you know that it's indecision in the market right here. This doji right here. Buyers and sellers doesn't know which way price wants to go. Then it started making lower highs and lower lows. Like you could have got in off of this lower high, like right here, off this doji. You could have got in once it started wicking back down. You could have got in. Let me see. Let me go to the 15. Let me go to the 15. I really want to show y'all. Like, yeah, we can see more on the 15. What's going on? Um, Went to this level, started wicking at this level before heading back down. So uh, consolidating, boom, eventually breaks consolidation. Like I would have drew a box around. To be honest, I would have drew a box around that. Um, I'm just trying to give y'all ideas, trading strategies. Like use everything. Draw a box around this. Consolidating, consolidating. You don't want to get into consolidation. You want price to break fully down. Once I seen price break down fully, okay, that indicates that price is going to head back. Is going to go back down. Like we need a strong candle though. Like this is a weak candle. Like let me go to the 2 hour. Like this is like this isn't a strong enough candle to let, even though price went up here, it's not strong enough. Like it only closed like probably like between here and here. It closed like right here. Um, but it didn't, like we need a strong candle. Like we want to see strong candles, like long candles, like strong candles. This was a weak candle. This one's weak too. Like like okay, sellers are um it's not like it's not strong, it's indecisive, like we don't know like what's going on because it's a weak candle, like so once we see dojis and we see like weak candles, we don't see like I would have to see another green candle, a strong green candle, like right here for me to have got in, for another buy. We didn't see that. We seen price close like 5%, like only like, let me go down to we didn't see that. Like, we didn't have to see a strong candle, like strong candle, like you can see on the daily. This is strong. This is pretty strong right here. Like, this is pretty strong. Like, you can see this is a weak. This is like even though it was in an uptrend still, it closed here. So majority of this trade was sellers were in control majority of this candlestick because it only closed it right, it closed right here. So the candlesticks will tell you what's going on. Like um majority of this candlestick, sellers were in control. They pushed price all the way back down here. Now you can see sellers are in complete control in here, but it was going up. So it it's like it wasn't a strong enough candle. I would have to see another green candle, a strong or long body candle for me to be like, okay, price is going back up to like 1850, 1845, like right here. I would have to see a green candlestick right here, a long green candlestick. You see long green candlesticks here. We don't see that here. We only, it went up here and then shot back down. Sellers shot back down. So that's weak. That's not strong enough for us to get in that trade. So for us to buy, for that trade. So um boom, it broke our trend line, boom, and it started heading back down for the day, all the way back to 1787. So um just little tips I want y'all to know about. Um like I said, this even star pattern, green candlestick plus doji. Doji meaning that buyers and sellers don't know what's going if they want to push price up or down. You can see it wicked it up and then it wicked it back down. And then it wicked it back down. So letting we don't know even star pattern, green doji, red candlestick, downtrend, right? So price um eventually broke this trend line. Boom. So this trend line is no longer valid. Like, boom, this trend line is no longer valid because they broke this trend line. Like, okay, like once price broke this trend line, even draw it like from here to here. Once price broke this trend line is no longer valid. Boom, right? Once it broke below, like it broke below. Like, all right, cool. Price broke below strongly on a 4 hour too, on a higher time frame. Boom, this trend line is no longer valid. We're no longer in an uptrend, right? So now we're in a downtrend. And now it's about to be 5 o'clock. It's 4:03 right now. So we're gonna just see what price wants to do. Like this week is over. Like for the week, this trade is done. Like you can see for the week, this trade is done. Like if you didn't get in like in the beginning of the week, like Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, this trade is done. It's the end. It's tomorrow, Friday. The week is up.